Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup look and yeah, my makeup routine. I do this every single day for school, work, if I'm going out, if I'm gonna go run errands. Like, this is just what I do for everything. I feel like it looks pretty and easy. It's not hard to do. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it. Starting off with primer. So being honest, like, I only use primer if I feel like I have a lot of pores on my nose or like T-zone or anything. And if I do, I'll use the Professional primer. This is the pearl one. I like this one. I haven't tried the normal one, so I really like this one. Usually I'll already have washed and moisturized my face. During the day I use this Picture Perfect moisturizer by Formula 10.0.6. And yeah, so that's all I'll do to prep my skin. I usually don't use primer. Like today I don't think that I need it, so I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to go straight to foundation. The foundation that I use is the Photo Focus Wet n Wild foundation. This one is in the shade Soft Beige. I really like this one and it works well. So I'm going to take the little spatula of it. You know what? Actually, I need to put it in my hair because that's annoying. Hold on. Alright, for concealer, I use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I have 3 of them because these ones are number 10 and they match my skin really well. And then I have a number 15 that I got, but 15 is lighter than 10, which I didn't think. I thought it would be darker, but it's not. So I go ahead and I mix them. So I'll take the rest that I can scrape out of these number 10s. I really should just go buy another number 10. I don't know why I don't, but whatever. Like that. And then I'll take like a little bit of 15. I set my whole face using the Coty Airspun loose powder. If I'm going to be taking pictures or like going out at night, I will use the Laura Mercier one because that doesn't have flashback and this one does. So, oh my god, it just spilled all over. Next, for my under eyes, I will take the I Want Candy Banana Pudding powder and just like a little compact brush, and I'll move it around in there and then just pat that under my eyes. I use the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little NARS Kabuki brush and I just like swirl it around in there pretty lightly and then go just lightly to bronze my face. I don't want to make like a defined contour line. I just want to make it look fluffy. For blush, this is the only blush that I ever use. I use it all of the time. It's the Tarte blush in Amazed. Yeah. And I really like it. It's pretty. It's like the perfect shade of pink. I don't always wear blush. Sometimes I will just use my bronzer as blush, but today I was feeling it. Go ahead and I apply eyelashes. So I use strip eyelashes probably every day. Like, I'd say every day I put on eyelashes, but these are the Ardell Wispies. I use these ones. This is a brand new pack. I'm going to go ahead and use my older ones because they're not ready to go yet, but I really like these. They're called the Ardell Wispies again. I get them at CVS and I think they have, because I got 2 of these 2-packs and they were like 2 for the price of 1, something like that. I'm not sure, but they were on sale, so I love those. The glue that I use is this Duo brush on adhesive. It's really good. So I'll go ahead and I'll take one of my eyelashes like this and then just put the glue on the band. Just for one of them, and then I'll let it sit there to get a little bit tacky. And while, oh, it's stuck to my finger. Okay, while it's doing that, I just curl the same eyelash that I'm gonna put it on. Alright, so my eyelashes are finally on. That took me a little bit because I didn't like how they were applying, but I got it, fixed it. So next I will go ahead and use some highlighter. I'm using the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. I like this one for everyday because, where's my brush? There it is. Because the Becca ones, I really love these ones and I used to use them every day. Are they called? Yeah, the Shimmering Skin Perfectors. They're just too much. Like, they're too they're almost too sparkly for every day. I feel like I just want a little bit of something to, you know, like accentuate my cheekbone and the high points of my face. Alright, and now I will fill in my eyebrows. I always use my Benefit brow products. This one is the Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade 4, and then the 24-Hour Brow Setter. And that is all I do for my everyday makeup routine. I don't put like lipstick or anything. I'll use chapstick. Usually like just cherry chapstick. That's what I like to use on my lips. And then that's really it. Like sometimes I'll use a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line. This one's the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. Yeah, I really like it. So that's what I do every day. If I'm going to go ahead and like go somewhere more fancy, I'll put on some eyeshadow, maybe like a peachy nude in the crease, and that's it. But yeah, this is what I do every day. I really like it. I think it looks super pretty and simple, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. My giveaway actually did end when I said it did end on the 15th, and the winner was Jazmin Salazar. I'll go ahead and put her Instagram right here or right here, one of the bottom two, not sure. But yeah, I actually sent it to her and she already received it. She received it like a day after I sent it. That was kind of cool. I didn't know it was gonna go that fast. So yeah, I will have a giveaway coming up next month again, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!